Hello friends, welcome to the fourth chapter of the Node.js tutorials. In this video, we will learn about the FS module. So let's continue. The FS module. FS stands for File System. The FS module is built-in module in Node.js. It provides a way to interact with the file system. By using FS module, you can read, write, and delete files and directories. By using the FS module effectively, you can perform multiple operations of file system in your Node application. Let's reuse the FS module from Node package, which gives us access to file system. Using it, we can do multiple operations as we know. So yeah, let's start. First, defining the function. So this is my variable, so not the function. Const fs using require keyword to use the modules available, which is fs. Let's create a directory fs dot mkdir. So mkdir is to create the directory. Let's create a directory called logs. So as we want to create a application to write and create logs, so let's create mkdir and a callback function. So whenever it is done, we will get the console directory created. Save. Let's run the project node index.js and enter. So we got the console and we can see logs directory is created. Now we have created the directory. Just a comment for myself. Once the directory is created, let's create a file as well. So fs dot write file sync. So we are using write file sync to have it as a synchronous part. So where we want to create a file inside logs folder, the file name, it is new file.txt and whatever message we want to write in the file. So line number 1 is written. Save. Yeah. Let's run this again. So it says directory created. Let's expand it. So here we are. We have the new file. Let's open this file. Line number 1 is written. So yeah, we have created a directory and inside the directory created a new file. Now let's read a file. To read a file, we'll use read file sync. The file path, it's logs new file.txt and the format which is UTF-8. And to see the output of the file, let's do console.log, save and execute the file. Yeah. Here we get the console, line number 1 is written. So this is from the file, new file. How to write, how to update the file. So we already have the new file with some text written on it. I want to add one more line. So let's create another variable, existing data. So now we have removed the console and we will get whatever the output was in the console in this variable. So we have the existing data. Now let's write the file fs dot write file sync, again path, and here we had line number one written directly. Now what we will do, we will append the existing data and write new data. So yeah, line number two is written. Save, saved. So before we execute or run the file, we will see what data is available in new file. So it's just line number one, closing it. Now let's run the project. Node index.js and enter. No consoles because we have not put any. Let's see the file. Yep, here we are. So line number two is written. So that's how you update an existing file with the existing data available. How to remove a file. To remove or delete the file or directory, fs give us existing methods. So let's use few of them. In the logs folder, we already have a file, new file. Node won't remove the directory if it's not empty. So first we have to remove the file and then remove the logs folder. So to first let's remove the file. To remove a file or delete, it's fs.unlink the path of the file, callback console.log file removed. Let's remove directory. Now inside the callback we'll write fs.rm dir to remove the directory logs, and again a callback directory remove. Save. So first it will remove the file, get to the console, and then try to remove the logs folder. Let's run the project node index.js and then enter. Once this is done, we got the console and you can see the directory and the file has been removed. So these were few of the modules which are already available in Node.js. You can have a detailed view of which modules are available and what methods are available in Node.js by visiting the Node.js official site. Thank you for watching the video. Please let me know your feedback in the comment section. If the video is helpful, click on like button. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out to new videos coming in.